welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thanks for coming to watch this video. Thank you for being subscribed if you already are. If you are not, I hope you'll find this interesting enough to stick around. I like to do different things on this channel, hauls, crafting, just different stuff. This is Peachy cheap mystery box. I think it was $35 plus $5.99 shipping. And then you get, I think it was $100 worth of paper that they have had for sale in the past year. So I'm curious to see what's in here. I certainly hope it was worth it. All right, let's see what we have. All right, my type. I have some stickers that I got that match this. So, okay. Could use that for something. I have like 3 other packs of these. Oh, so here's some lace to go with that. My type. Fancy Pants Designs, Bloom and Grow stickers. Yeah, those aren't so bad. Those are cute. Okay. Halloween stickers, Fancy Pants. Oh, these are cute. Fancy Pants design buttons. Those are cute. I like those. Okay, Lake Life solid paper sampler. My Type solid papers sampler. Collection kit, Simply Summer. And that's not too bad. Then you get these puffy stickers with that. Oh, that's cute. Let's see what else came in here. Enamel dots and ephemera pack. That's cute. I don't have this. So that's cute for the summer. And you have all these papers. Cute. Some for the 4th of July. All right. That's fun. Oh, looky here. Okay. This is great. No stickers with this one. I'll probably... Yeah, this probably goes with this. It does. Okay. Cute ephemera. Cute. Like the enamel dots. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then for Peachy Cheap, I had ordered this a while back. So this was an ephemera, deal. So I got Heritage, 40 ephemera pieces. And then I got these Pebbles, Phrase ephemera, Sun and Fun. Then I got this Jen Hadfield homemade. These are really pretty. There's a lot of like clear acetate pieces in there, I think. 30 cardstock pieces. 10 acetate pieces. Yeah, it's what I thought they were. So that'll be fun. And then another Pebbles, oh, summertime. It's got the mermaids, and this will be fun for the summer. Cute. And then this is Jen Hatfield Homemade. This is Family. What is this one? Oh, this is these are the same collection. 30 cardstock pieces and then 10 pieces with foil. So that's fun. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, so that is the end of the Peachy Cheap haul. You know what? Let's go ahead and do this. This is, I picked these up at Joann's. Let's just do this stuff at Joann's. Okay, so I got this paper pad. Then I picked up these from the round trip tickets. Maggie Holmes round trip. And then I picked up this on clearance. Now, when I picked these up on clearance, you also got another 10 or 20%, 25% off of your clearance. So this is the Maggie Holmes Garden Party Project Pad. Let's see. Whoops. Then this has these stickers in here. So that was $7.42. So then you're going to take, I think it was at least 10% off. So another 74 cents off of there. So definitely worth it to me. And then I picked up this. This was $2.47. All the pieces are there. They just fell out through here. And this is Buenos Dias chipboard. I'm not sure. It's American Crafts. So I thought this was so cute. And then so you got 10% off that or 20%, I can't remember. And then this was $7.47. This is the Buenos Dias project pad that matches those chipboard pieces. Oh, isn't that fun? Oh, so pretty. That's fun. A cereal. You got your little tags. And then all the stickers. And then I picked up this Tim Holtz Ideology sticker book. It's got all these sentiments in there. I used one already. So, okay, that's it for my haul. I hope you guys have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you have a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.